Spiders are arachnids whose presence is concerning for some, while others may ignore them. But if there's something about spiders that anyone should be worried about, it's spider eggs. A single egg sac can hatch hundreds of spiders, and in a short time, they'll lay egg sacs of their own. To stop a full-scale spider infestation, it's important to treat spider eggs as soon as you see them. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and get rid of spider eggs so your home and property stays free from spiders. To shop for the products featured in this video and learn even more about spider egg control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Most spiders will encase their eggs in silk sacs and keep them in safe, rarely disturbed locations. These sacs can look very different depending on the species that laid them. They can be round, oblong, or irregularly shaped. They can range in color from brown to creamy white or even a pale yellow. Some eggs are smooth, some have protrusions, and others may seem loosely wrapped in silk or other materials. Here are a few examples of spider eggs you may find. Some black widow spiders will make round, smooth egg sacs. To compare, brown widow spiders make round, spiky egg sacs. Orb weaver egg sacs are teardrop shaped. Cellar spiders stand out in that their egg sacs contain much less eggs, about 10 to 60 eggs per sac, and instead of a fully formed sac, cellar spider egg sacs look more like egg clusters. For a better idea of what you're dealing with, identify the spider that's laying eggs around your property. You can use that info to learn more about the egg sacs and what they look like. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Most spiders will lay their eggs in less frequented areas or concealed shelters, like wood piles, the corners of ceilings, wall structures, eaves, in trees, or underneath ground debris like leaves or fallen branches. Do a thorough inspection of your property to look for spider eggs or other signs of spider activity. When conducting your inspection, you'll look for eggs, usually among webbing or accompanied by the spiders themselves. Some spiders will stay close by to guard their eggs until they hatch, while others will wander away after laying them. Wolf spiders are notorious for attaching its egg sac on its rear as it travels from place to place. Be careful not to crush any egg sacs you come across, as this may release hundreds of baby spiders. Take note of all webs, egg sacs, and undesired spiders you find during your inspection. Also note any entry points into your structure that spiders or other pests can use to enter the building, like around doors, windows, or other cracks and crevices. You'll use this information to direct your treatment. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment, or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Start your treatment by knocking down and wiping away webs with Webb Out and a Cobb Webb duster along with an extension pole. Webb Out is a ready-to-use organic spray pesticide that not only makes it easier to clean up and prevent webs, but also treats spiders and their egg sacs, killing them in minutes. Simply shake the bottle well and spray directly on webs, spiders, and eggs you found during your inspection. The Webb Out spray will break down the webbing to make web removal much easier, and it will leave a long residual that will prevent spiders from reforming webs on the treated surfaces. You can also transfer the Webb Out solution to a pump sprayer to make spraying hard-to-reach areas much easier. Once the webbing is thoroughly wet, brush them away with your cobweb duster. Once you've cleaned up webs and egg sacs in the area, you'll need to address the spider's food source, bugs and insects. By getting rid of the food source, you'll encourage spiders to hunt or harbor elsewhere. Use an insecticide like Reclaim IT to get rid of insects around your property. Reclaim IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate that will leave a residual barrier that kills many insects, like mosquitoes, crane flies, fungus gnats, and other bugs that spiders prey on. Note that while Reclaim IT is labeled to control spiders, it's most effective against spiders when they are sprayed directly. Spiders don't actually pick up residual chemicals, which make barrier treatments perfect for getting rid of insects without bringing direct harm to spiders. Apply Reclaim IT at a rate of 1 fluid ounce per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We also recommend you use a hand pump sprayer since you'll be making targeted spot or barrier treatments in and around your structure. To use a hand pump sprayer, open the sprayer, add half a gallon of water, and then add your measured amount of Reclaim IT. Add the remaining half gallon of water, close the sprayer, and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump your sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. Make a barrier treatment around the entry points of your home. Be sure to spray around doors, around the garage door, around windows, along eaves, voids in the wall, and utility penetrations, including light fixtures. Indoors, you can make crack, crevice, and spot treatments to target areas where spiders or insects may be harboring. Remember, this is to control the insect population on your property so that spiders will lay their eggs elsewhere. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen again. Once you remove your spider eggs and spiders from your property, you'll need to take measures to ensure they don't reinfest your property in the future. Pick up all outdoor debris like logs, leaves, or other organic materials to reduce the number of sheltered spaces spiders have to lay eggs or harbor in. Additionally, trim away any overgrowth on your trees or ornamental plants. Repair any door seals or broken window screens, and caulk any cracks and crevices you may have found during your inspection. This will prevent spiders or other insects from coming into your home and creating a new infestation. And be sure to conduct follow-up treatments of Reclaim IT every 3 months to ensure insects stay off your structure. Also, be sure to reapply Webb out to areas where you found webs or spider eggs once every 4 months indoors or once every 30 to 90 days outdoors, depending on the weather. These two products together will ensure that spider food sources stay away from your structure and spiders won't be able to reestablish new nests. A single spider around your property may actually be a good thing, but they can quickly lead to a full-blown infestation if spider eggs are left untreated. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop spiders from infesting your home. We offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.